Why, hello there, beautiful, handsome. I didn't even see you there. Thanks for clicking this video. I'm Jalen. What's your name? Hey guys, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I'll be showing you guys my curly hair routine. A lot of people ask me what I do for my hair and how I get the curls that I do have. And today your questions will be answered. Yeah. A little bit of singing on the side. Anyway, I'm just gonna say that for my hair, I use 3 simple products, and that's water, conditioner, and coconut oil. I've made a mixture of coconut oil and olive oil because olive oil helps my hair a lot more than I feel coconut oil does, but I still like coconut oil too, so I just mix them together. But this is the conditioner that I use. It's Suave Naturals. This one is avocado and olive oil, and this personally is my favorite one. My mom has gotten many other ones, but I like this one the best. I feel like it gives me the juiciest curls that I like. But yeah, it's very cheap. It's not expensive at all. I mean, we don't need expensive products for good outcomes, you know what I mean? A lot of people think that for you to have a good outcome on your hair, you have to have expensive products, and that's just not true. Yeah, I'll probably venture out and try other products, but for now, that conditioner is what works for me, and I feel like it works for a lot of other people probably. But yeah, this is my routine. I hope it helps you guys. Let's go ahead and get into it because I talk too much. Okay, so right now I'm taking my rubber band and I am parting my hair into 4 sides. I just feel like you get better moisture whenever you part your hair into different sections, so I'm just braiding it. Okay, so now I'm taking my water and I'm moisturizing from the bottom to the top, and along with the conditioner, I'll be doing the same thing. I feel like if you start from the bottom with your tips, it gives your tips better moisture, which is really needed, and then you go up to your scalp, which is good. Get all up in there. Now for the oil, it's the sealant, so start from the bottom as well, and that's my coconut oil and olive oil mixture. I feel like it does work really well together. Apart they work well, but I just really like it together. And now for my Denman brush. I just got this brush and I really loved the outcome of it. I know I'm supposed to be brushing from the bottom to the top, but I was kind of going willy-nilly, so don't even mind that. But look at the curls and how defined they're looking. I just loved how defined they looked, as you can tell. But I think you guys would like the outcome as well, so I definitely do like this brush. I wouldn't use it all the time, again, because it would cause breakage if you're constantly combing your hair all the time. I do this once a week, which still may not be that good, but I don't know. I like the way it looks, so yeah. All right, now that my hair is all done, I'm gonna put in a ponytail. Now I'm gonna do my edges. Take what little left of gel I have because I be gobbling this gel up like it's dinner. Not literally, but. Okay, so I have now tied up my edges. And by tomorrow morning, I'll show you guys what it looks like the day after. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I hope that I've helped somebody out there. It's always good to try new styles and to see what method works for you. So I hope that this has definitely helped you out. Tune in next time for another video. I do hair videos, fashion videos, interviews, a lot of stuff. I just like experimenting with things. So yeah, comment down below any suggestions, any things you'd want to see. Protein treatment, because I do that here and there. I don't really do it like that. I should, but I don't. But yeah, I can definitely show a video on what I use for my protein treatments as well. But yeah, hope you guys have a blessed day. Peace.